And welcome to today's video. This is a B1 level vocabulary lesson, and today we're going to be talking about herbs, spices, and condiments. All right, so do you know the names of any of these spices? Well, spices are used to flavor, color, or preserve food. Cinnamon can preserve food, making it last longer. Tumeric provides the color for American mustard, and everyone knows the flavor of red chili. So this is cinnamon, turmeric, and red chili. Some spices are seeds. Pepper is a very common spice. Most people know black pepper, but there are white pepper, pink pepper, and green peppercorns too. So picture A is the pink, black, and some green peppercorns. B, the salt and pepper shakers. C is green peppercorns on a tree. And D is black and white peppercorns. Mustard is also a seed. There are black mustard and white mustard seeds, and mustard has a strong flavor. So here we have a hot dog with mustard sauce, a jar of hot English mustard. C is black mustard seeds. D, white mustard seeds. And E is a mustard flower. A long time ago, spices were very expensive in Europe. Spices were used in food, but also as medicine. Cumin, nutmeg, ginger, and cinnamon were all spices used as medicine. So picture A is fresh nutmeg. Picture B, fresh ginger root. Picture C is a custard tart topped with ground nutmeg. D, dried cumin seeds. And E, lemon and ginger tea, which is often drunk by people who have a cold. Cumin is a seed. It's used a lot in India and Mexico. Ginger is a root. It is used a lot in Asian cooking. And cinnamon is the bark of a tree. It is used a lot in candy and in sweet foods. So these are spice seeds at a spice market. Picture B is cinnamon bark as sticks and also cinnamon powder. C, these are cinnamon flavored rolls. And D is fresh ginger root. Sumac tastes a little bit like lemon. It is popular in Middle East cooking. Paprika is used a lot with eggs and potatoes. Poppy seeds are used in bread and pastries. And chili is often sold as powdered chili. Chili is a fruit, and it's often sold as powdered chili. So this is an example of fresh red chili. B, this is sumac growing on a tree. C is ground paprika. D is a chicken dish cooked in paprika. And E is a poppy seed cake. All right, now we want to match the spice with the picture. So picture A would be cinnamon. Let's see, picture E is peppercorns. Picture C, poppy seeds. Let's see, picture D would be ginger. Picture F is turmeric. And picture B is cumin. All right, now match these spices to their names. So we have picture A is chili. Picture B is pink pepper. Picture C is mustard. Picture D is sumac. Picture E is paprika. And picture F is nutmeg. All right, now you can pause the video and try to complete the sentences and then restart the video when you're ready to check your answers. Number 1, turmeric is used to give the yellow color to American mustard. Many people love a mixture of sugar and cinnamon, for example, on donuts. In most houses in Europe, you will find salt and pepper on the table. And ginger is used in many Asian foods and drinks. Herbs are plants. They are used in cooking, and they can be used fresh or dried. So here we have fresh and dried oregano that's used heavily in Mediterranean countries and in South America. Here we have some dried herbs at a market, and picture C is fresh basil. Basil is used for tomato and pasta dishes. Mint has a strong smell and is used to flavor candy. And dill is used with fish like salmon and in pickles. So picture A is fresh basil. B is mint flavored candy. C, this is salmon served with dill. D is fresh dill. And E is fresh mint. Coriander, parsley, and rosemary. Coriander is used in Asian and Indian foods, and it's also called cilantro. Parsley is used a lot in food, and especially in tabbouleh. And rosemary has a strong smell, and it is used a lot in France and Italy. So this is the fresh coriander, also known as cilantro. This is fresh rosemary, fresh parsley, and a tabbouleh salad, popular in the Middle East. Now see if you can match each picture with its name, each herb with its name. Okay, so this is rosemary. D is mint. To look at these others. So A is rosemary. B is parsley. C is basil. D is mint. E is dill. And F is coriander or cilantro. And condiments are products used to bring out the flavor. Do you know any of these? And which foods are they used with? So tomato ketchup, we often use that on hamburgers, hot dogs, French fries. Balsamic vinegar, sometimes used as salad dressing. Mango chutney. Soy sauce, it's used often in Asian cooking. And picture E, these are different types of prepared mustard. And F is cider vinegar. Ketchup is a little spicy. Balsamic vinegar is made from grapes and it's used in salad. And there are many types of mustard. English mustard is very hot. So here we have hot chips, or in the US these would be called French fries with tomato ketchup. B is a hot dog with mustard and ketchup. This is the hot English mustard, balsamic vinegar, and a salad which is dressed with balsamic vinegar. Wasabi is very popular with sushi and sashimi. Soy sauce is very salty and it is used a lot in Asian cooking. And chutney comes from India. It is sweet and sour. So picture A is sashimi with wasabi. B is fresh wasabi. C is, these are different Indian style mixed chutneys. This is a mango chutney. And picture E is soy sauce. And oil is also important in cooking. Olive oil is used in Mediterranean food. Peanut oil is good for frying food. And sesame oil is popular in Asian cooking. So here we have a frying pan. B is a caprese salad, which is mozzarella, tomato, basil, and olive oil. C is olive oil. D is peanut oil. And E is sesame oil. All right, now try and complete these sentences. Okay, vinegar is made from grapes. It is used to flavor food. If you want to fry food, you can use peanut oil. Wasabi is green and eaten with sushi and sashimi. And many people like to put ketchup on their French fries or chips. All right, and can you remember the names of these? We have ground paprika, fresh basil, fresh dill, fresh rosemary, mango chutney, and fresh and ground tumeric. All right, and then finally complete these sentences. So a long time ago, spices were very expensive in Europe. Some people use olive oil to make dressing for their salads. Cilantro is an herb used in Asian food. It is also called coriander. And dill is an herb that is often used with salmon and other fish. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.